Question 6, we have 7 root 5 divided by 4 root 3. When you rationalize, you multiply by 4 root 3 divided by 4 root 3. This is said to be equal to 7 times 4 is 28 root 15 divided by 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times root 3 times root 3 is 3. So this can be simplified to be equal to 4 can divide 28 and 16. 4 into 28 is said to be 7. 4 into 16 is said to be 4, leaving us with 7 root 15 divided by 12. This is equal to 7 into, I can express root 15 in terms of the given values, which I can say is 5 times 3. So I can express this to be root 5 times root 3 divided by 12. And this is equal to 7 into, what is root 5? Root 5 is given to be 2.236. That is 2.236 times root 3. Root 3 is given to be 1.732. 1.732. So divide by 12. I'm going to multiply 2.236 by 1.732 before I multiply by 7. So this is 2.236 to be multiplied by 1.732. So we multiply 2 times 6 is 12. You write down 2 and carry 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. We also go this way. 3 times 6 is 18. You write down 8 and carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. You write down 0 and carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. While 3 times 2 is 6. This is point. We do same with 7. 7 times 6 is 42. I'll write down 2 and carry 4. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. I'll write down 5 and carry 2. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. I'll write down 6 and carry 1. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15. So this is my 15. I'll also multiply 1 times this. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 2 is also 2. I will then add. This is said to be 2. 7 plus 8 is 15. You carry 1. This is 5 plus 0 is 5 plus 2 is 7. This is 4 plus 6 is 10. This is 15. This is 22. I'll write down 2 and carry 2. This is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. Write down 7 and 1. This is 7 plus 1 is 8, and this is 3. So I have done the multiplication. Now where will my decimal point fall? Since I have 6 digits after the decimal points, I'm going to count 6 digits from the back, and that is where my decimal point will lie. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer is said to be 3.87272. So this is equal to 7 times 3.87272 divided by 12. I'll still multiply this by 7. So if I multiply this by 7, this gives me 7 times 2 is 14. Carry 1. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 1 is 36. 6 carry 3. 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 3 is 52. You write down 2 and carry 5. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. You write down 9 and carry 1. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 1 is 50. You write down 0 and carry 5. 7 times 8 is 56. 56 plus 5 is 61. You write down 1 and carry 6. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. So this is 27.10924. So this is equal to 27.10924, all divided by 12. I'm doing this for those who are still having issues with division and multiplication. This will enable you to master how to divide and multiply without the use of calculator. So to be divided by 12, 12 into itself is 1. 12 into 27 is said to be 2. For 2 times 12 is 24. So 2 remainder 3. This becomes 31. I'll put my point. 31 divided by 12 is said to be 2, because 2 times 12 is 24. So 31 divided by 12 is said to be 2 remainder 7. This becomes 70. 70 divided by 12 is 5 remainder 10, because 5 times 12 is 60. So this becomes 109. 109 divided by 12 is said to be 9. For 9 times 12 is 108. So you are left with 1. Okay, so this becomes 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 12 into 6, it cannot. You write down 0 and bring the next digit, it becomes 64. 12 into 64 is 5 times remainder 4. Add 0 to it and divide by 12. This gives us 3. For 3 times 12 is 36. And it continues. But we have exceeded the 3 significant figures we are expected to leave our answers. So you can stop at this point and approximate it. So this is approximately equal to 2.26. When you approximate 9, you add 1 to 5. And that gives you your answer. So to make it simpler, as you work, you can then use your calculator as an aid to fasten your division.